Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Mardi Gras will be here soon, and those of us who live down south will probably start heading over to New Orleans soon to celebrate and, of course, drink lots of hurricanes. Now, the hurricane is a drink that originated in the 1940s at a bar in New Orleans called Pat O'Brien's. Now, the reason why they created it is because down in that time in the 1940s, there was a short supply of whiskey, but they had plenty of rum. So Pat O'Brien's took advantage of that and they created the hurricane. Now, I'm going to make two different versions today. The first version is more like the classic version that you would have had at Pat O'Brien's back in the 1940s. Now, over time, they decided that they needed to make them a lot quicker, so they developed a premix. And that premix is what they use today. So we'll also go ahead and make a second version, which will be the modern New Orleans version, the modern New Orleans Pat O'Brien type hurricane. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start our classic hurricane, and this is an easy one. There's 4 ingredients, and they're all in a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, the first one is 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. Whew, almost had an accident there. We're going to follow it up with 2 ounces of lemon juice. Two ounces of white rum. 2 ounces of dark rum. Go ahead and add some ice. And we're going to shake that up for about 10 seconds. Okay, here we have our hurricane glass filled with ice. And we're going to go ahead and take our mixed hurricane and go ahead and strain that in. Garnish that with some orange slice and a cherry. Throw in our straw, and that one's done. Now we're going to go ahead and make our modern New Orleans version, Pat O'Brien style. Start with 2 ounces of white rum. Two ounces of dark rum. Two ounces of passion fruit juice. One ounce of orange juice, half ounce of lime juice, and a half ounce of grenadine. Okay, now we'll go ahead and shake that up for about 10 seconds. And we'll pour that into our glass. Strain that one in. And I'll garnish that one with just a cherry so we can tell the difference. Thanks for joining us today in My Little Country Living as we made the hurricane, the classic version you have here, and the modern version you can get at Pat O'Brien's. Now, they're both great drinks. Which one do I like best? Let's find out. That classic version is great. And the modern one's really good too. I think I like the classic version a little better. It's a little more subtle. This one's a little more kind of punchy. Either way, they're great drinks. Now, why don't you go ahead and drop us a comment if you make this and let me know which one you like the best. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel and see more videos like this one. Thanks.